that him?
Yeah. Right?
Oh,
Bury him.
that's too bad I had my back to you.
You're so tired, dude.
Yeah. Oh, oh no. I'm not doing that to you, don't worry.
It's cool up there, though, isn't it?
Oh yeah. Oh jeez.
I do pretty well.
It's unbelievable.
Yeah, it's crazy.
So much.
Yeah, these guys are natural athletes. All of them.
Put all three of them out here for a couple of weeks, maybe a month, forget it.
They'll be on the ski team. They'll be in the Olympics. Yeah, look at them go. No fear. No fear.
Maybe they should have some, though.
Well,
Respect the mountain a little bit more.
yeah.
You came in?
Wow.
Man. That's exactly what I said when I came in here. I was like, damn, this is heavy. Took a tumble, huh?
I don't know. Got to think about it for a second. Am I okay?
And another one. All right, heavy. It's heavy.
It's here. Well, that ain't heavy.
Last one of the day, boys. What happened here? Dude, that was gnarly. Holy shit, you left your helmet too?
Yeah.
I was in your way. Holy shit. What happened?
Where's your gear? One ski, you idiot.
Got her on. That was awesome.
Was there a collision or you just...
No, I just,
You bit it.
I moved out of the way.
I was moving pretty fast, I'd say. You guys think that was pretty fast?
Oh yeah, no, you were going.
It was like a...
Awesome control.
Well, I'd say you lost your helmet.
Yeah, my helmet even came off.
Wow.
Oh.
That's going to be interesting to see on that YouTube channel. Yeah, don't edit that out.
See my light flash before my eyes.
The camera's still going too. Camera didn't miss a beat.
Wow, I'm like, why are they over here?
Yeah, well.
How did he fall? He was going too fast.
He hasn't fallen since '87.
You can see the...
Here. All right, I'll cut under. All right.
I'll follow you. Don't look too bad. Yeah, that's fun through there. I didn't even see you. Where the hell were you at?
We're on the right side doing the rock traverse.
Oh.
Did a little rock jump.
Nice.
Some dude to the left of us was like, whoa.
That
was fun.
Another gate.
A little low for it.
Oh. That was fun.
Look at that.
I think I got good video of you too.
Oh, sweet.
It's right behind you. You need speed. Just following you, I'm just trying to film you guys. There's a bowl to the left. If you don't want to do that, you have this. But I guess Philippe's already gone down. Yeah, there's a nice bowl up here. Next time. Just so you know, like just before you enter this, if you hang a left, there's a bowl right over there. So if we do this again,
Okay.
I suggest going left.
Okay. We've never done that.